Solution 1. Check the junk folder. Filtering option will send junk and suspicious emails to the junk folder. So if Outlook emails not coming through, they may be put there by mistake. And you just need to move those emails back into your inbox. Click on the junk option in the left sidebar. If you find the email you are expecting here, right-click on it, select junk and then select not junk. Before Outlook moves the email back to the inbox, it will ask you if you want to always trust emails from this sender. If so, check the box and click OK. Solution 2. Change email sorting options. If your sorting options in Outlook are configured to not show the most recent emails at the top, your newly received emails may get mixed up with other emails. Changing the sorting order can be a quick and easy way. Solution 3. Check offline settings. Outlook has an option called Work Offline that allows you to disconnect from the server when you don't want to receive new emails. If this option is enabled, it could be the reason why your Outlook not receiving emails. You can disable it. Open Outlook and click on the Send and Receive tab at the top. Click on the Work Offline option in the Preferences section. Solution 4. Check the blocked users list. Sometimes we add someone to the block list but forget about it afterwards. If Outlook not showing new emails from someone, you can check the blocked users list. Click on the Home tab at the top of Outlook and select Junk. Click on Junk Email Options in the newly opened menu. Select the Blocked Senders tab. If the emails you wish to receive are on this list, click on their name and select Remove. Solution 5. Check Outlook rules. If you create any rules, your emails may be diverted away from your inbox, forwarded to another email account, or deleted. If you are not sure you have a rule or not, click the File tab at the top of Outlook. On the Info tab, choose Manage Rules and Alert. Find the rule that modifies your incoming emails and uncheck the box next to it. After solving the problem of Outlook not accepting emails, you are suggested to create a backup of Outlook in case of data loss and corruption. This tool can help you with system backup, disk backup, partition backup, file backup, cloud backup, and Outlook backup. It allows you to backup Outlook to multiple locations such as cloud services, internal and external disks, USB drives, NAS devices, network locations, SD cards, etc. You can use incremental or differential backups to backup change data, so it doesn't take a lot of time and space. It also supports you to create automated Outlook backups, and you can set scheduled backup tasks for daily, weekly, monthly, and event-triggered frequency. If you think it's useful, click the download link in the description to try it. Run this tool and Outlook. Click Backup and then Outlook Backup. Then follow the prompts to add the Outlook data you want to backup and choose a safe place to store your backup. Click Start Backup to backup Outlook data immediately. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.